Welcome to Travel Tracker Routing. Today I'm going to show you how to create a shuttle or transfer stop. Now a shuttle or transfer stop is going to be a stop where a student is transported and then maybe switches to another bus. So let's say the student goes from their home stop to the transfer stop where they get on another bus and that bus then takes them to their attending school. So we can very easily create this stop and assign that student to this stop with Travel Tracker routing. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a new stop, and I'm going to label this one Lincoln Middle School Transfer. And it's going to be at Lincoln Middle School, so we're adding that transfer just so we don't get the two stops confused. But I'm also going to label this stop as a transfer stop so that the system knows. Now, for these transfer stops, you may want to increase their stop time from whatever the system defined stop time is, just to take into account that maybe it's going to take the student a little longer. So we'll say that this stop time is going to be 60 seconds. And we'll go ahead and save that. So we've now created that stop. So let's take a look at how we're going to route a student through that stop. Let's go back to the Students tab. So we're going to take a look at this student, Asa Golden. I've already got them pulled up. So let's take a look at their transportation plans. Right now, Asa Golden doesn't have any transportation plans, so we're going to add one, and we're going to ask the system to route the student through that transfer stop. So we're going to have the pickup stop be the student's home stop, and we're going to have the drop-off stop be the transfer stop that we just created, so Lincoln MS Transfer. We're going to set this for 7 a.m. And so now we're going to add another transportation plan that's going from that Lincoln Middle School transfer to this student's attending school, which is Wheatland Middle School in this case. And we're going to go ahead and set the time for that stop at 7 a.m. And I'm going to save this change. So now let's go into the bus schedules for this student and ask the system to search and add a bus schedule based off of those stops. So we're going to add the planned stop to a route, and the system is going to think through what routes to add these stops to. So we can see here for that first stop in the morning from the student's home address to Lincoln Middle School, we have bus 9, and that's really our only option. But now for the other morning stop where they're going from that transfer to Wheatland Middle School, we have some other buses that we can choose, and it looks like bus 2 only has 24 students, and it's only a 4-minute duration increase for that bus. So we're going to go ahead and select bus 2, and we are going to accept this. And so you can see here that every weekday in the morning, this student is going to go from their home address to that transfer stop, and then from that transfer stop to their attending school. So it's very easily using transportation plans to route students through transfer stops to get them where they need to be.